3, 2, 1, go!
And it's beginning match number 7. We got a lot of fuel going in on the Red Alliance side. Eidos Diaz went and picked some up from the neutral zone. They're getting that in. Looks like they've made some nice adjustments to their shooter. And 173 also doing a good job. And this one is so close. Which way is it going to go? Looks like Blue Alliance took this one. What a nice autonomous. This one's close. Let's see if the match remains that way. So, just about, 10 seconds, clean things up, get it going, and then Red should be energized. And let's see what Red's going to do with it. Red consists of Bristol Eastern, rookie team here. That's 11-4-6-4 in the middle of the field, trying to acquire some fuel in the neutral zone. Rage over on the other side. They've got fuel, and now they're heading up. Bristol Eastern is going to use to herd fuel to that side. So 71-53, are they ready to shoot? Because we don't have a lot of time left with just 2 seconds left. Red should take ahead. That's it for Red. Oh, boy. Well, they're ready to score, but they didn't quite manage to do it. Oh, here comes Blue. And we've got Mojo, 80-85 for the Blue Alliance, taking their shots and pulling ahead, just about doubling the score at this point. They've got another 10 seconds, and so they're feeding off the back in the depot, picking up the fuel and getting ready to shoot it. They do have a turret which stays focused on that, and they're getting to the end. And now it's Red. So Red does have some fuel. Let's see if they can get that going. Yes, Eidos Diaz taking their shots and getting them in there. Rage still, they've got trouble with their shooter at some point. It's not even pointed in the right direction. In fact, they have a solid robot signal light. 11-4-6-4. Bristol Eastern shuttling fuel over, pushing it over. Now they do have some fuel in, and it could be ready to be shot. We'll see if they can manage to do that. But now it's Blue's turn. 80-85 is ready to go. Eidos Diaz is in the middle of the field, gathering fuel, getting ready. But it looks like 80-85, Mojo is going to make it for the Blue Alliance, make it a thing. The question is, will they get energized? They seem they might have the firepower. I don't know if it'll happen in this match, though, but they are taking a lot of shots, and this is their first competition. So let's see if they can gather more fuel in the middle of the field without being beached. Now both hubs are active, and we've got a shot from Eidos Diaz, getting it up and in. Nice tall parabolas there. 11-4-6-4, Bristol Eastern moving and shuttling fuel back to that for Eidos Diaz to pick up and then score. Eidos Diaz comes in the middle of the field, drops their intake, and starts scooping it up with 5 seconds left. Bob's, or 80-85 on the blue side, gets their final shots in. But did they get energized? Did they achieve over 100 points? I don't know. And the results of that match up on the screen was won by the Blue Alliance. Final score, 76-27. You can see Blue Alliance just barely won the autonomous, and then they really got it going during the teleop period. There's the rankings, but I don't think we'll discuss it yet. Notice they didn't get energized. They got 3 ranking points.